Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. And basically we have a few options how to do this. We can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by use the application. Open EDIFIER Connect app. And if you add your earbuds here, you will see the same menu. And right here at the first line we have noise cancellation controls. Tap at this line. So the first free line is ANC level. So to enable ANC you need to select or high, medium or low. So just tap at the best one for you. But of course your earbuds should be inside your ears, so I need to put it, and now we can enable it. Also you can select medium or low noise cancellation. To disable it you need to or swap to transparency mode or to wind noise reduction, or just to a normal mode by tap at the noise cancellation off. But as I said previous, we can also use gestures, and on the sides we have touch areas. So you need to, by default, press and hold at this touch areas. But once you try to enable ANC and you press and hold, you will enable by default high noise cancellation. Then later I will show you how to change it. So let's check it, press and hold. And as you can see, I just enable it using gestures. And to disable it you need to also press and hold, and firstly you will swap to transparency mode and then to normal mode. And as you can see it works. Now how to change it? So you need to, from the main menu, go to the settings at the right top. And right here I have control settings. You need to scroll down. You can set it to the triple press, but not for the double press. You can set it for the left or right earbud by just tap at the right earbud. But let's just change it. So as you can see right here we have press and hold, and by default it uses high noise cancellation, transparency mode and normal mode. So let's say you don't need transparency mode. You tap on it and then select, let's say, wind reduction. Or maybe you don't want to use high ANC level, but just medium. So then you tap at the high and then select the medium one. But right here, as you can see, we have 3 dots. So we use these modes, and we cannot set more than 3. So if I'm trying to, let's say, add wind reduction, I tap on it, but as you can see, nothing. So 3 is your minimum, and it's the same with a right earbud. You just need to tap at the right earbud in the control settings and then scroll down, and right here we have sound control. So right here you just select something else. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!